Hello friends, today I will start with a very famous quotation by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. A life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge and science. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is a philosopher, historian, academician, professor, vice president of India and the second president of India. He was a visionary. We all celebrate the Teachers' Day on his birthday. He said that emphasize the knowledge and the science. It is very much important for us. In today, I'm going to start with a discussion which is asking questions. Sometimes students don't ask questions in a class. And I was looking into that, what could be the reasons for that, and based on my experience and the scientific literature, it was found that most of the students, they do not ask this question because of the shyness. And I'm telling from my experience, I was an introvert child at my younger age as well, and I've suffered a lot from that. The other could reason could be the fear of peers. They think that what their friends will be thinking about them. My impression will be what they will think about me. That's a very tremendous pressure the students sometimes face. Or sometimes they think that maybe will be what people will think about me as a dumb. The professor might think about me as a dumb, or the teacher will think about me as a dumb. I might be asking a silly question. The other possibility could be that it is difficulty in forming the questions. Maybe there is a language barrier. Maybe there is an understanding problem. So the suggestion which I would like to give, at least for the fear of the peers or the friends, we all say is a true friend is a friend who knows your inside and outside. So don't fear about your friends or the peers. Don't be shy. And as a teacher, I know that a teacher will always appreciate your question, and a good teacher will always motivate you. The other possibilities which as a link which I have mentioned here in the bottom, you can go and visit for more for this, is also in the gaps of the knowledge. Maybe in the previous classes the things were not been taught, or the student only go with the mugging or the rote memorization, so the knowledge is lacking. So improve that knowledge. There could most of the times the students think about, leave it, we will read sometimes later on, or maybe we will read when we join the university classes. And sometimes it's actually go on and accumulating, and the things will come on, and then they are not asking a question. Sometimes it is actually hinders to their self-esteem, and the self-esteem could be related with that, I'm not going to ask this question. This is also a bad thing. So what I'm trying to say from this today's motivational lecture is that try to ask these questions inside the class. If you have a doubt, you get this doubt clarification. If a teacher is not very friendly, or if he get annoyed with you, then you can ask that same question by looking online, but never ever you stop yourself asking the right questions. Don't stop till you get the answer of your questions and gets doubt cleared. So friends, I will end here with a very famous quotation, as I started with Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's statement, and I will end with his statement. And his quote unquote statement was that if you are ashamed of asking questions, then you are devoid of gaining knowledge. So please don't get devoid for your knowledge, because as I mentioned in the very early, and that's what he emphasized, Dr. Radhakrishnan, that knowledge and the science is the part of your life. Thank you very much. Share the knowledge and support the channel. Thank you very much.